what I can get from them. Well, I have here with some cauliflower and broccoli, so I'm gonna be sowing them in this tray here. So I'm gonna prepare in the soil to really sow them. You gotta wake it up a little. So I'm prepare the soil here a little. Get it almost out. And broccoli and cauliflower here. We have the two package of seeds. So I'm gonna put them in this tray right here. Because they're more like foreign, so I'm gonna put them not in the solid soil but in the tray here. So that's what I can get from. So I'm gonna get the soil a little bit prepared. Get it more softer. It's winter time now, so the dirt is kinda getting hard. So you gotta wake up the soil a little, get the sun going through it while you keep wetting it. So here you go, preparing the soil. See how the dirt is kind of a little bit tight, gummy, because of the winter time. That's how the dirt is here right now. So we're gonna take some time now and prepare the soil a little bit. And here you are. So this is the broccoli. No, this is the cauliflower. So I'm gonna remove this. Not much seed come in the package, but that's what you get for such a big package. Look at how many seeds. So what I will do, I'm gonna, so here I go, sprinkling the few little seeds I got here. I hope I can get something out of it, because they're seeds. A few seeds, I try to keep them close near each other. And then what I'll do now, I'm gonna use this piece of stick here, so I know from here to here, and then I'll put this onto it, so you know what I sowed here. So here you go, and then I'll get this one now again, and this is the cauliflower. This feels like it have a little bit more than this is the broccoli, sorry, this is the broccoli. This have a little bit more than the cauliflower. So I'm gonna open it. So okay, a little bit more is good, just a little bit more. So I'm gonna, yeah, these are the cauliflower seeds.
This is how it look.
Yeah, very fine. So I'm gonna be they're so fine, so you don't need to. But I'm gonna use when I'm finished sowing, I'm gonna get the water pan, and then I use some water on them, so the water will kind of sink the seeds. So as long as you don't have ants, or which is I'm gonna have to use some bug spray to keep ants. The ants will take away the seeds if they're in there. There you go. Okay.
So you know, cover the seed them, people. Just sprinkle them on the soil.
I'm gonna have to prepare another little spot there to put these ones in. There's a lot of seeds in this one. I don't want to put too much in there right at the moment, so I'm gonna be preparing another little spot. Okay, there we go, just for a marker to see what it is. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna, so you gotta have the dirt loose so that you can sow the seeds properly. So here we go, preparing the soil. And you don't want to prepare the soil too thick like this. You want it a little bit more refined, because you know, this seed will go sloop down into the dirt, and then, you know, some of them won't come. They won't grow because they go sink too far down. So here we go, preparing the soil here. Let's get back to sowing seeds again. Here I go again. Tiny baby seeds. So you sow. You sow. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna get my water pan and get some water and get this going. So here we go. With some water. Give it a good wet. Very good wet. So that the seeds start get swollen and then get. So what we're doing here now is putting some water on the seeds so that we can get them start germinate. So when you follow up, don't let it get dry, you just follow up with it. When you see the seeds coming up now, then you know, yeah, you got some good seeds. And you keep wetting them so that you can get to this to transplant them. So here we go. This is, and I'm gonna take another step because just for safety, I'm gonna good enough. I'm gonna use some spray and spray the bed that the ants don't remove the seeds. You have to do that. The seeds here.
So you have to spray the bed so the ants don't remove
the seeds. The ants will come in there and eat all of the seeds, and you'll be waiting to see, you know, waiting to see seeds grow. Ants devour them. So this is what you gotta do. Just the smell alone will keep them away from it. Smell alone will keep them away. There you go. There we go. So if the rain should come again and fall in too much, I'll use a piece of those black net and cover over it to keep the rain from beating exactly into the seeds. So this is how we, especially when you have tender seeds and you can't just put them straight down in the soil like that, because in the winter time here now you lose them. So that's that. So we kind of use the water up, so we wait to see germination now. How are they going to be germinating? Gonna see if I can plant these suckers tomorrow.